Now this is where some of the guys call it the S curve, or I call it the snake. I mean, you can call it whatever you want. It's just moving that squeegee back and forth and drawing the water down. So we're always pulling water into the middle of the window, and we're pulling it down, in theory, okay? So when we got this water here, we can get that gas move, come back up here, and we're bringing this edge down as this one stays up. And then we stop, we use the gas move, come back up, drop this down. Gas move back up, drop this down. At the same time, that's the snake move going down the middle. That's when you get most of your edges. Now if you have edge water like this, it's just like the top that we were working with. You're coming over the top. I'm going to exaggerate 4 or 5 inches over, come down. Then we gas move up. Come over to the edge, come down. Let this end drop, let this end stay up. Gas, move up, because you're pointing your squeegee again to where you want to go. So that's your trail. If I come down here, come back up. Let this end drop, and then you're pointing in the right direction. I'm pointing in the right direction. And you can do that all the way down. Pretty soon it will be automatic. You'll just come up, hit those corners. I can come back up here, hit this corner, and then just keep dropping.